And they made a lot of money after the war because everything had to be rebuilt in Europe. Stuff had to be repainted. So companies that made paint made a lot of money. So they invested in a pharmaceutical branch. And they hired one guy to kind of come up with an idea how to make money in the pharmaceutical world. This guy was Arthur Stoll. He later became the CEO of Sandoz. And Arthur Stoll was the first one to crack ergot because this fungus is quite poisonous, actually. In the Middle Ages, this created mass hallucinations in Europe. Unwittingly, people were eating like contaminated bread.
Right.
We're having like horrific visions. Actually, limbs fell off because this ergot is a very, very poisonous alkaloid. But as we know from Paracelsus, the dosage makes the poison. So that was Stoll's idea. You take a very poisonous thing, the ergot, and you extract, like you're still able to use the force that's within it as a medicine. This is how biochemistry, that's basically the foundation of biochemistry. So Stoll was able to crack the ergot, and the first medicine he made was a migraine medicine, which came out, I think, in 1923 by Sandoz, very successful. So he immediately hit the jackpot.
Wow.
He became like the ergot god of the pharmaceutical world. So he developed more and more medicines with ergot. One of them, for example, is still used today when in childbirth. It contracts the blood vessels after the birth so you can stop a bleeding. Otherwise, I guess the bleeding would go on much longer in childbirth. So Sandoz made the first effective medicine because ergot kind of makes the blood vessels contract. Yeah.
Weren't they trying to develop a drug to induce labor when they initially created LSD?